This is why elephants never forget. Have you ever wondered why elephants are so smart? They're known for their incredible memory. But why? In today's video, we will be answering just that. So without further ado, let's get into it. An elephant's memory is so good that they can remember their own individual scent. Elephants have amazing memories, but their sense of smell is not so amazing. However, they use what they lack in smell with what they have in memory. They can recognize themselves by their own scent, even if they smell it years later. Elephants would spray their own urine to mark their surroundings, which helps them keep track of where they've been and where they need to go back to. Their incredible sense of smell allows them to pick up on the subtlest of scents and distinguish between thousands of different odors. This is especially useful when it comes to detecting predators. Elephants can smell danger from miles away and use their memory to avoid it. They also use their sense of smell to find food and water, which is essential for their survival. When food is scarce, elephants will travel long distances in search of it. They use their sense of smell to remember where they found water and vegetation, and use this information to guide them back to these resources. Elephants have the ability to remember individual human faces and recognize them even after years of separation. This ability is due to their excellent memory and facial recognition skills. Elephants are highly social animals and live in herds led by a matriarch. The matriarch is the oldest and most experienced female in the herd and is responsible for making decisions about where to find food and water and how to avoid predators. She uses her memory to keep track of her herd members and their whereabouts. If a calf wanders too far away from the group, the matriarch will use her acute sense of hearing to locate it and guide it back to safety. Elephants are also capable of recognizing themselves in the mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. This is a rare ability among animals and is thought to be indicative of a highly developed cognitive ability. Their exceptional memory enables them to navigate vast distances and recognize familiar landmarks such as waterholes, food sources, and potential mates. Some researchers believe that elephants possess a type of spatial memory that allows them to remember the locations of up to 128 significant places within their habitat. This remarkable ability enables them to travel to specific destinations with ease, demonstrating their exceptional navigational skills. Moreover, elephants exhibit an uncanny ability to remember the faces of individuals they have previously encountered. Studies suggest that elephants can recognize themselves in photographs and recall the faces of their caretakers even after years of separation. This extraordinary facial recognition ability highlights the remarkable capacity of their memory. But why do elephants never forget? Elephants never forget because of their highly developed prefrontal cortex, which is the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, social behavior, and memory. This area of the brain is much larger in elephants than in other animals, which may be one reason why they are so intelligent and have such good memories. Another reason why elephants never forget is because of their social structure. Elephants live in herds and are highly dependent on their memory to keep track of their herd members. They also need to remember the location of their herd mates in order to successfully reproduce. This heavy reliance on memory has led to the evolution of an elephant's incredible memory abilities. Finally, elephants never forget because of their longevity. Elephants can live up to 70 years old. This means that they have had a lot of time to develop their memory skills. They also have the ability to learn from their past experiences and use that knowledge to improve their future chances of survival. In conclusion, elephants never forget because of their highly developed brain, social structure, and longevity. All of these factors have contributed to the evolution of their incredible memory abilities. So, next time you see an elephant, remember that it has an amazing memory and can remember your face even after years of separation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.